Have you ever reached the end of your day and realized you barely moved at all? Maybe you sat through breakfast, read your paper, then shifted to the couch to watch the news. Before you knew it, hours had passed. Your knees feel stiff. Your back aches. And your feet? Swollen again. If you're over 60, this isn't just about feeling sore. It's about your long-term health. Sitting too long affects your heart, your circulation, your muscles, even your memory. Today, we're going to look at what really happens to your body when you sit for too long, and how certain everyday habits and foods can quietly make it worse. And most importantly, we'll talk about what you can do instead, starting right now. So let's begin. Have you noticed that climbing stairs feels harder than it used to? Or that standing up from a low chair takes more effort than before? Sitting for long periods slows down your metabolism. But what you eat can slow your body down even more. Let's look at the foods that quietly harm aging bodies, especially when movement is limited. And then, we'll talk about the healing foods that support your circulation, muscles, and memory, no matter how much you sit. Let's begin with refined carbohydrates. Foods like white bread, crackers, sugary pastries, and sweet drinks. They spike your blood sugar, trigger inflammation, and then cause energy crashes, especially dangerous when you're not active. And the more you snack while sitting, the more your body stores those empty calories as fat, around your midsection, liver, and joints. One study found that older adults who consumed lots of refined carbs showed faster memory decline and more joint pain. Next, processed meats and high-sodium foods. Bacon, deli slices, frozen meals, and canned soups may be convenient, but they're loaded with salt and preservatives. These raise your blood pressure, stiffen your arteries, and worsen swelling, especially in the lower legs and feet. And for seniors who already sit for long hours, that extra sodium can make circulation even worse. Now let's talk about something unexpected: artificial sweeteners and diet drinks. You might think they're a safer choice. But chemicals like aspartame and sucralose can confuse your metabolism. They've been linked to increased cravings, insulin resistance, and more belly fat in older adults, even though they contain no sugar. But don't worry, there's good news. Let's flip the plate and talk about what to eat instead. Start with leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. They're rich in nitrates and magnesium, great for circulation and reducing leg cramps. Next up, berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries are packed with antioxidants that protect the brain and reduce inflammation. Just 1 cup a day has been shown to support memory in seniors over 60. Then there's fatty fish. Salmon, sardines, and mackerel contain omega-3s that ease joint pain and support heart health. Even 2 servings a week can reduce your risk of heart disease and stroke. Add in legumes like lentils, chickpeas, and black beans. They're full of fiber, potassium, and protein to keep your muscles nourished and your blood pressure steady. Swap butter or margarine with olive oil. It's full of healthy fats that support your joints and your brain. And don't forget a handful of raw nuts, like walnuts and almonds. Finally, hydrate. Even mild dehydration can worsen swelling and joint stiffness. Sip water throughout the day. Many seniors believe they can't exercise anymore, because of pain, stiffness, or fear of falling. But movement doesn't need to be a workout. It can be short, gentle, and done right from your chair. Even 2 to 5 minutes at a time can improve blood flow, reduce stiffness, and keep your muscles awake. Here are 5 movements you can do safely at home. First, seated marching. Sit upright and lift one knee at a time, like you're gently marching in place. This wakes up your hips, legs, and core. Second, ankle rolls and toe taps. Roll your ankles in circles, then tap your toes up and down like you're pressing a pedal. This helps prevent swelling and support circulation in your lower legs. Third, arm circles or wall push-ups. Gently rotate your arms, or stand at a wall and do slow push-ups to keep your shoulders mobile and strong. Fourth, neck rolls and shoulder shrugs. Lower your chin to your chest, roll your head side to side, and gently lift your shoulders toward your ears, then drop them. This releases tension and brings more oxygen to your brain. Fifth, if you're able, try standing calf raises. Hold the back of a chair, lift your heels, and slowly lower them. This strengthens your calves and helps pump blood back to your heart. Set a reminder every 30 to 45 minutes. A sticky note, a phone alarm, whatever works for you. You don't have to be perfect. Just be consistent. Your body doesn't need intensity. It needs attention. Up next, 3 small daily habits that help protect your memory, balance, and comfort, whether you move a little or a lot. We've talked about how sitting too long can affect your muscles, your heart, and even your memory. And we've looked at foods and movements that help your body recover and stay strong. Now, let's take it one step further. Because sometimes, it's the smallest habits, done daily, that have the biggest impact. Here are 3 simple things you can do to stay mentally sharp, physically strong, and more comfortable throughout your day. Habit number 1: the standing reset. This one takes less than 10 seconds, but it can dramatically reduce your risk of falling. When you've been sitting for a while, and you're ready to stand, don't rush. Instead, pause. Place your feet flat on the floor. Tighten your thighs and core. Then, slowly rise, using the arms of your chair for support if needed. Once you're standing, hold on to something nearby and take a breath. This simple habit helps your body adjust, prevents sudden dizziness, and gives your muscles time to wake up. Make it part of your daily routine. Every time you stand. Habit number 2: a 2-minute bedtime routine. Many seniors struggle with sleep. But what you do in the final minutes before bed can help your body relax, restore, and sleep more deeply. Here's a simple nighttime practice. Sit or lie down. Take a deep breath in through your nose for a count of 4. Hold it for 4. Then exhale slowly through your mouth for 6. Repeat for 2 minutes. Afterward, gently massage your calves or feet using circular motions. This helps your circulation, reduces muscle tension, and calms your nervous system, preparing your body for better sleep. Habit number 3: the mind-body reset. In parts of the world where people live the longest, places like Okinawa and Korea, seniors have something in common. They take time each day for stillness. Whether it's breathing, prayer, journaling, or simply sipping tea without distraction, they stay connected to the moment. Try this. Each morning, sit somewhere quiet for 5 minutes. Breathe slowly. Think of 3 things you're grateful for. Let your shoulders drop. Let your thoughts slow. This small moment helps reduce stress hormones, lowers blood pressure, and supports your mood and focus. Even just 5 minutes a day can bring clarity and peace. So, if you've been sitting too long, if you've been feeling stiff, foggy, or tired more often, you're not alone, and you're not stuck. Your body is capable of healing and adapting, at any age. With just a few small changes to how you move, eat, and unwind, you can feel more in control of your health. One habit at a time. If you found this helpful, stay connected. And remember, your health isn't about doing everything perfectly. It's about doing what you can, and doing it with care. Take a deep breath. Take a gentle step. And keep moving forward.